every Vikings fan will recognise this location. My name's Georgia Hirst and I play Trovi in Vikings. Vikings was filmed in Ireland since season 1 and I've lived here for 5 years. Working in Ireland has been pretty epic and I've got some amazing spots that I really want to show you guys. Kattegat isn't actually in Scandinavia, it is right here in Lugalore. This is one of the most used locations to film Vikings. Fans of the show and tourists can come right to this point and look at it just like I am. I'm pretty sure every Vikings fan will recognise this location. I lived in Dalkey for 2 years. It's a gorgeous coastal town and it's pretty close to the centre of Dublin. One of the main historical attractions is Dalkey Island. There is evidence that Vikings used Dalkey Island as a base. In the summer, you can take a ferry across to Dalkey Island and look at the treasures that Dalkey has to offer. You can find St Begnet's Church, which was built in the 11th century. You can also find a 19th century tower and gun battery. Going over to Dalkey Island is a perfect day out. I went with my dad and we both had an amazing time. This is Dalkey and we have the Vikings to thank for the name as it sounds today. Dalkey was crucial in the medieval period as one of the major Irish ports. The things that I love about Dalkey are the sea. We're literally a walk away from an amazing harbour, but also the restaurants and the pubs are so quaint and the little streets are perfect to take walks on. Deville's is my absolute favourite restaurant. The food, the atmosphere and the service is amazing and I'm going to head in because I'm starving. This delicious meal is the crab and avocado cocktail. Really good. I can't wait to try this elderflower gin sour. Amazing. After a long day of sightseeing, this is where you should end your day. I hope to see you guys in Ireland soon. That is so good.